Hello and welcome to Owen's Megastore. Today we're going to be unboxing this big guy right here, the Klarstein Vivo Vino wine refrigerator. Let's do it. Vivo Vino. Try saying that fast. Vino Vivo. So here you have it, the Klarstein Vivo Vino wine refrigerator. Let's go through what it comes with. There's the refrigerator itself, as well as, I'm gonna have to get up for this, 6 racks for your wine. And these are removable as well. The controls for this is right on top here. You also have a light switch, and it's all touch, and it also displays the temperature. In total, it's 52 liters in capacity and can store up to 18 wine bottles. And as the name suggests, it's only for wine. So what you want to use this for is wine refrigeration. It would suit a hotel, a restaurant, or perhaps a classy bar. As you can see, it's not going to clash with any decor or furniture that you have. It's very simple and sleek. It's just black. So it'll pretty much fit in anywhere. All you need is wine. Banana for scale. Decent size. Yeah, it's good. The Klarstein Vivo Vino wine refrigerator. Enjoy your wine refrigerated. The wine refrigerator.